Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix spawn delays on Mobile Legends. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to make sure that your Mobile Legends game has been updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Mobile Legends. If you see the update button, then this means that the latest updates have not been installed. So just tap on the update button and wait for the update to complete. Once it is completed and you see the open button once again, then tap on it to open up the game and see if the issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then you can open up your phone settings and then tap on Applications. From the Applications page, simply look for Mobile Legends, and when you find the application, just tap on it. Now from the Application Settings page, scroll down and tap on Storage, and now go ahead and tap on the Clear Data option. This will clear all of your data from the Mobile Legends game. So tap on the delete button, and once data is cleared, you can open up the game and try logging in once again. And now your delay will be fixed. Also make sure that your internet connection is working smoothly by connecting to a stable data or Wi-Fi connection first, and also by checking any other application that uses the internet to see if it is working just fine. And there you have it. That is how you can fix delays on your Mobile Legends game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.